Imagine you walk into the office tomorrow morning. Your computer is already running. It worked through the night. It answered 47 emails. It drafted 3 proposals. It rerouted a delivery because it spotted a supply problem hours before any human noticed. This isn't science fiction. This is February 2026, and the technology behind it has a name: AI agents. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn what AI agents actually are, which jobs are really at risk, and most importantly, how to be the person who wins from this shift instead of getting left behind. Let's start with the simplest explanation possible. You know ChatGPT. You ask, it answers. Done. That's an assistant. It waits for you. An AI agent is different. It doesn't wait. It thinks ahead. It acts. Here's a real example. A contact of mine in logistics told me what happened at his company. They introduced an AI agent for customer communication. Nothing crazy, he thought. A bit of automated email replies. Standard stuff. Then came the moment that changed everything. The system independently detected a supply bottleneck. It calculated alternative routes. It notified affected customers. And at the same time, it ordered replacement stock from the warehouse, all without a single human involved, in 47 seconds. His team sat there with their mouths open. That's the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent. A chatbot would have waited for a question. The agent spotted the problem before it even became one. There are essentially 3 types of AI agents changing our daily lives right now. First, browser agents. Imagine someone sitting at a computer all day filling out forms, copying data from one website to another, running price comparisons. That's what browser agents do, in fractions of a second. Second, workflow agents. These think through an entire process, not just step 1, but all 10 steps. They plan, coordinate, delegate to other agents or to humans. Third, multi-agent systems. This is the top tier. Multiple specialized AI units work together. A marketing agent negotiates budgets with a finance agent. Sounds wild? It's already happening in the first companies. And here are the numbers that matter. Right now, just 5% of all business apps have an integrated AI agent. By the end of 2026, it will be 40%. That's an 8-fold increase in 12 months. Now we get to the part that most people are afraid of. I want to be straight with you here. Not dramatic, not falsely reassuring, just honest. Forrester, one of the world's largest market research firms, looked into this. Their findings: 20% of jobs will be changed by AI, extended and reshaped. 6% of jobs will actually be replaced. 6%, not 60, not 80, 6. That doesn't mean it's nothing. 6% of workers across the US and Europe is tens of millions of people. That's real, and it matters. But which jobs specifically? Most at risk: routine knowledge work, data entry and data management, standardized report generation, basic bookkeeping and invoice processing, Tier 1 customer support with standard queries, basic research tasks. What they have in common: clear rules, repeating patterns, and predictable outcomes. Exactly what AI agents do best. Less at risk: human core skills, emotional support, and complex counseling. High-stakes negotiations with relationship dynamics, creative concept development from scratch, skilled trades requiring physical judgment, leadership, and motivating teams. But here's the crucial thing most people miss. The question is no longer, will AI do my job? The right question is, who controls the AI that does my old job? Because someone has to build these agents. Someone has to train them. Someone has to check whether they're working well. Someone has to deploy them strategically. And that someone could be you. Coursera just reported that enrollments in AI courses jumped 234%. Not because people are scared, but because they've understood. Whoever steers AI wins. Now we get to the part that makes this whole video worth watching. How do you become the person who rides this wave instead of being crushed by it? I'll show you 3 paths, not theoretical, with real tools you can try today. Path 1, the AI trainer. An HR manager at an insurance company did something smart. The employees whose tasks were about to be automated, he turned them into AI trainers. They teach the system what good work looks like. They review the results. They improve the processes. Instead of job loss, there was growth. The great thing? You don't need to be a developer. Tools like Make.com or Zapier let any non-technical person build their own AI agents today. Drag and drop. No coding required. A practical example: you work in marketing. Instead of manually tracking social media performance every day, you build an agent in Make.com that does it automatically and sends you a daily summary. That takes 1 afternoon to set up and saves you an hour every single day after that. Path 2, the AI Orchestrator. Oracle said something interesting at the start of 2026. The successful companies this year aren't those with the biggest AI budgets. They're the ones where regular employees become architects of intelligent automation. That's called the citizen developer. You don't have to build AI, you have to orchestrate it. What does that mean in practice? You learn which tasks in your role are suited for AI agents. You learn how to set up or commission those agents, and you become the person in your company that everyone else turns to for advice. New job titles are emerging right now: human-machine matchmaker, AI ethics officer, chief automation officer. These jobs didn't exist 2 years ago. Today, they pay well. The easiest first step: take an AI course. Not for the certificate, for the understanding. Links to the best courses are in the description. Path 3. The AI entrepreneur. This is my favorite path, and one you're already on by watching this channel. Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, recently said something provocative. He expects that soon, 99% of code will be written by AI. That sounds threatening for developers, but it sounds like a massive opportunity for everyone else, because suddenly, anyone can build an app, anyone can create a tool, anyone can sell a digital product without writing a single line of code themselves. LinkedIn co-founder Konstantin Gericki said in an interview that AI will create a new wave of solo entrepreneurs. People who used to need an entire team to build a business can now do it alone. What you need: a problem you understand, an audience that has that problem, and the willingness to learn the AI tools that solve it. And that's exactly what this channel is here for. Subscribe now, because every week we bring you new tools, new strategies, and new opportunities. And you want to be the first to know about them. Let me quickly recap what we covered today. First, AI agents are not science fiction. They're already deployed in companies right now, handling in seconds tasks that used to take hours, or entire full-time positions. Second, according to Forrester, 6% of jobs will be replaced, but 20% will be changed. The question isn't whether AI is coming, but whether you'll be on the right side of that change. Third, you have 3 concrete paths: become an AI trainer, become an AI orchestrator, or become an AI entrepreneur. All 3 are possible today. All 3 pay well. None of them require coding skills. You know what fascinates me about this moment? We're living through something that's never happened before. Technology that used to cost billions is now accessible to everyone. The rules of the game are changing in real time, and the people who understand what's happening right now, they'll be sitting on the winning side in a few years. You're watching this video, that already puts you ahead. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. We publish new videos every week on exactly this topic. Always concrete, always with tools you can use immediately. And in the description you'll find the link to make.com to build your first AI agent, the link to Zapier for simpler automations, a free checklist, 5 tasks in your job an AI agent can take over. Click on the next recommendation. We show you exactly how to increase your income using AI. See you there.